So the question is, the forward path transfer function of a unity feedback system is given. So this is the function. Okay, and we are asked to find the break points. Okay, so basically break in and break away points. So let's draw the root locus. Where are the zeros? Zeros is at -1, -2, and then -3, -5. So -5 and -6 has the poles, right? Okay, so this is interesting. So we know that at ultimately, okay, so this line will be at the root locus because right towards this only odd number of 0, and again this will be in the root locus because right we have 3 poles and zeros, right, following this rule, rule 3. Okay, and we know that the root locus starts from the poles and ends towards the zeros, but there is no connection here, right? How do you connect this to this root locus? So somehow it's going to go from here to here, right? And the symmetricity will also be there. Okay, but we are not asked to find the root locus diagram. We are asked to find at what point does it break away and at what point it breaks in. Okay, and don't think that it will break away from 5.5 or join at 1.5, right? It's not symmetric. Okay, we can find this using rule, which rule? Rule 6, right? So we are going to use this rule to find the breakaway points, actually breakaway or break in, both. So this rule should be breakaway / in points, or dk ds is equal to 0. So let's find that point. Okay, so we need to write this equation. So basically the characteristic equation is given always by this 1 plus gh is equal to 0, which means, and since it's a unity feedback system, h is 1, right? So 1 plus g is equal to 1. So 1 plus g is 1 plus g is equal to 0. So solve for this. Basically z is equal to -1. So if you put this equals to -1, then you get, because to find the dk ds, right, we need to represent k in terms of s first. So k would be minus s plus 5, s plus 6, s plus 1, s plus 2. Okay, we need to find dk ds. Minus s square plus 5s is 11s plus 30 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2, right? And if you find dk ds equals to 0, you will get square plus 3s plus 2 2s plus 3. So this is equated to 0, or we can do it like this, put equal sign here, right? Now we need to solve this. Okay, now power of 3 will get cancelled because this will be 2s cube and then this will be, so this will ultimately result in a quadratic equation, and if you solve this you will get the equation 2s square plus 14s plus 70 equals to 0. So we need to solve this quadratic equation to get the answer. Okay, and I think if you solve it, you will get s is equal to, so two solutions you are going to get. One is 1.56, another is minus 5.437, like that. Okay, so obviously if you go back to the root locus, here were the poles, here were the zeros. It's going to break away and break. So this minus 5.437 is a breakaway point and break-in point is minus 1.56, right? Yeah, and of course the symmetric part would be there. Yeah, so this is the solution.